I'm Boss Lady Shruti, and today I have a haul video. Oh my god, I have been going crazy shopping, and there were just a lot of things that I wanted to get, to do reviews and swatches and all that good stuff. So I thought before we get into all of that, we will get into all of this, and let me show you all the awesome things that I got. So without any further ado, let's get started, shall we? If y'all follow me on Snapchat, I told y'all I went to Beautiful, and if y'all are not following me on Snapchat, hello, what are you doing? You need to live your life. Follow me on Snapchat. My links will be right here. So yes, people who follow me on Snapchat know that I went to Beautiful a few days back and I shopped so much. I also showed a few swatches of the things that I got and the things I was contemplating getting. So watch this video to know if I actually got those items or not. So yes, this is all that I got from Beautiful. These are stuff that I had got from Beautiful, and a few are like 1 or 2 items are online purchases. But so the first thing that I got is this Miss Claire True Color Contour Waterproof Lip Liner in 15. I've had this one before. This is a repurchase for me. I love Miss Claire lip liners. There are quite a few Miss Claire products here. I am completely in love with that brand. Ever since they came out with their soft matte lip creams, I've been wanting to try out everything that the brand has, and thus far I don't think I've been really disappointed with any product that I've tried. So Miss Claire, I love you. The next product is this Miss Claire Waterproof One Stroke Self Sharpener Eyeliner. This one is a new buy for me. I was actually looking at getting a new eyeliner. It's been a very long time since I wore kajal. Actually, I usually wear like a nude eyeliner on my waterline because I just feel that makes my eyes pop a lot more. But I thought, you know what, let me get into the whole smoky, smoldering eyes, and I wanted a nice kajal pencil. And trust me, I swatched out 2-3 kajal pencils, and this was honestly like the darkest one that I saw at the store over there. I'm wearing this on my waterline today. I'm only wearing it, I don't like wearing the kajal all the way down. I only wear it in my outer third. But yeah, also with the fact that my eyes, I don't know why, seem to be watering a lot these days. This seems to be doing a very good job, and it has stayed put on my waterline. So yes, another Miss Claire. And I've been waiting to try this out for quite some time. This is the Miss Claire Studio Perfect Professional Makeup Primer Anti-Redness. If you all have seen my previous video, which is the Artie's brushes one, you obviously saw my bare face, and I've had major breakout. I don't know why. My doctor tells me it's a hormonal outrage that your body is going through. So yeah, just something that I have to deal with. So I have major acne at this area of my skin. I don't know if you can say. I have like these bumps right here and like a few bumps right here. That is the reason why I wanted a primer that is going to help calm the redness in my skin, and you know, also give me some kind of base for my makeup. So that's why I wanted to try this. This is what I have underneath my makeup today, and I must say I'm pretty impressed. So Miss Claire is pretty much killing it out there for me. Moving on to PAC products. So PAC has been, you know, doing so much of good stuff. They've launched so many new things, and I was very intrigued when I saw their beauty blenders launched and their makeup brushes. Let me show you. So yes, this is the PAC Intense Duo Eyeliner Pencil. I haven't used this. This is a brand new one, and the cool thing is that it came in its own cute little pouch. This retails for $5.85, but I got it for $5.25 from Beautiful. This is an unopened one, but when I swatched it in the store, oh my god, this and that Miss Claire one were perfection. They swatched so beautifully, and I literally had to rub my hand with that cleanser that they had over there for what seemed a million years for this to go off. And also my mom wanted a new kajal, so I think I might give this to her. The next is this amazing PAC beauty blender. This is how it looks like. It also has this teardrop shape, and I haven't used this. I am waiting to use this, but I've seen so many reviews and so many girls talk about how amazing this is, and this is honestly for what? It retails for 485. I got it for 435. And yes, can't wait to try this, because if this works as good as the beauty blender, I don't think I would ever need a beauty blender again. So keeping up with the theme of beauty blender, I wanted to try out their mini beauty blenders. So yeah, these PAC mini beauty blenders retail for 285. I got it for 255. And these are a pack of 4 mini beauty blenders. So yeah, this is how they look like. So I found the mixed pack and I thought, let me grab that. There are 2 which are tear shaped, which are exactly how the beauty blender is shaped. There is one which looks like the Real Techniques beauty sponge, and this is just like a really big oval kind of thingy bobby. I don't know what else to call it. These also have gotten very good reviews online, and I can't wait to try these, because like I said, if these do as well as the beauty blender, mama doesn't need to spend $20. So another thing that I got from PAC is this. It's the eyebrow pencil from PAC. It is their white pencil, and this is what it looks like. It's a pretty long pencil, I feel, and yeah, when I swatched it, it had a pretty good yeah, I don't know if you all can tell, but also I don't think this is too intense, and I like that, because too intense whiteness on my waterline doesn't look good. So I think this will do a decent enough job for my waterline, but obviously I haven't tried this, so I don't know, but I shall keep you posted. First things first, I got this oil control facial cleansing toner. This is by Dermo Viva. It is a tea tree, grapeseed and green lime toner. Yeah, this really intrigued me, because especially like I told you, I'm having major acne issues happening with my skin right now, and I thought a nice toner would really help. And tea tree and grapeseed are supposed to be very good for acne prone skin, so I thought I shall give this a try, and I really like the way it was packaged, so I got it. Then I got this. This is a quick fix facials. I saw a few of these in Beautiful when I had gone. This is anti-blemish mud mask, oily and spot prone skin. This was for 520 rupees, and yeah, I think it says 10x facial, so I think you can get 10 facials with this one tube. I did use this yesterday. I felt that I wanted a little more tingling sensation on my face, because when that happens, you kind of feel that yes, you know, this is working, it is going inside my pores and doing its job. I didn't feel that much of that tinglingness that was happening, but it did feel, it did leave my skin refreshed. So I am on the fence with this one, but yes, I guess I will try it out for 2-3 times more and let you all know how I like this. Then I got this. This is the Melina Eyebrow Enhancing Oil. This is an Ayurvedic product. I just saw this at the counter lying there, and I am trying to grow out my eyebrows, so I thought I will give this a go. Yeah, if this works, it will be nice, because I'm trying to grow out my eyebrows and my eyelashes, and it will be nice. And this was for 295. Yes, this was for 295, and I should let you all know if this works. I love Maybelline and all of their mascaras. I think when it comes to mascaras, Maybelline and L'Oreal, they are my favorites. Almost all of the mascaras that Maybelline and L'Oreal launches, I instantly fall in love with them. So Maybelline launched the Magnum Barbie mascara. It looks a little kiddish. The packaging, of course, it's Barbie, what do you expect? So yeah, it is this yellow and pink packaged mascara, and I'm excited and extremely over the moon to try this out. The bristle looked the wand of the mascara looked very similar to the Falsies Hyper Curl mascara, which I also have. So yes, I'm excited to see how this works, and I have really high hopes. Then this is something that I showed y'all on my Snapchat when I'd gone. These are the Chambord transfer proof liquid lipsticks. I got 2 shades. One is in 483 and the other is 401. So this is number 483. And this is number 401. Okay, so this is 401 and this is 483. I've read a lot of reviews that this is a very comfortable to wear formula and glides on very smoothly on the lips, so I had to try these out. And let me know if you want a review and a complete swatch video of this. I did post on my Snapchat and on my Instagram the complete swatch that I had done on my hand at the store, so if you want, please check that out. My Instagram handle is Boss Lady Shruti, and yes, I think I will be doing a review on this for sure. Then, oh my god, I got the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. These are the 2 colors that I got. Oh my god. So when I went to the store, I swatched them on my hands. I showed it on my Snapchat too. But even when I had it on my hands, they looked really glossy, and I'm a complete matte lips kind of girl, and I didn't want anything glossy on my lips, so I was like, I don't know if I want it and all of that. I actually left the Revlon counter to go look at Miss Claire products after that, and then the lady there told me, you know, why don't you just try it out on your lips and then we'll talk. Fine, she's trying to really do her sale, and you know me, I'm such a big sucker, so I'm just going to let her, you know, get to me. I was like, okay, fine. I tried it out on my lips, and oh my god, I fell in complete love. It was so easy to glide on. It felt very comfortable. It felt like how my Miss Claire soft matte creams would feel. It didn't feel heavy or anything, and I didn't even have lip balm on my lips at that point of time. I tried out both of these shades and it was just really, really beautiful. And yeah, I'm so happy I got these. I got these in the color. Okay, I can't find the names of these, but let me give you a quick swatch. So this is this peachy corally color that I thought would be great for someone with my skin tone. And then I have this really pinky mauvey color, which I think is going to be, this pinky mauvey tone is something that I usually go for. It is kind of my everyday go-to lipstick. I have a lot of pinkish mauves. Yes, and this is the pinkish mauve color, and that one was the corally color that I showed you earlier. So yes, and the most amazing thing about this, it smells amazing on your lips. Like if you smell the tube as such, it will not smell really nice, but once I have it on my lips, it actually tastes sweet, I felt. So yeah, I am very, very happy with these, and I hope to be using them in a lot more of my tutorials and just yeah, in everyday life. So hi. Oh, so because I got like these 2 lipsticks, I got this lip gloss free. I haven't opened it yet. It says promotional pack, free, not for sale. I got it from Revlon. It is their Revlon Color Burst lip gloss. I'm not too much of a gloss person, but I thought a nude gloss would be nice to have in my collection, because I think if I wear a gloss, I only wear a nude gloss. I don't even wear anything else. So you all know my love for that Lakme lip gloss. No, sorry. You all know my love for that L'Oreal lip gloss that I have, and that's the only thing that I use, which is a nude ballet. So yeah, I thought I could give this a try, and it was free. So yes, this is another Chambord product. I've been wanting to try out something like this because the brown pencil that I had was like too old and it gave off a really weird smell, so had to toss it. This is the Chambord Orosa Sculpting Eyeshadow Stick Pencil in Honey Gold. This is what it looks like, and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is the swatch. Oh my god, oh my god. I am so excited. I'm so excited. This is so soft. Literally, I just did. That's it. And this is it. And I think if you blend it out, it's going to be even more beautiful. Yes, I can't wait to try this. I have a whole look planned out with this one. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is very exciting. This is the Swiss Beauty Perfect Liquid Eyeliner Pencil, and I think the packaging is pretty sleek and looks pretty luxurious. And the most amazing part about this, look at the tip, you guys. Just look at the tip. It is so fine and it is so small that I think it is perfect to get this amazing wing. But this wand was something that intrigued me completely into this, and I can't wait to try this and see how this goes, because I think if this does work, it would really be very, very helpful, not just for me but for a lot of other girls who struggle with wing liners. This I think would be very, very helpful. And I know Body Shop has one. I've always seen Kaushal use it. Oh my god, she looks so beautiful. But yes, fangirling right there. Yes, I've seen Kaushal use a Body Shop one which is very similar, but I think yeah, this one's pretty close, and I shall use it and I shall let y'all know if it is worth the money. And yeah, this eyeliner pencil was for $2.95. So I also bought a few things from Amazon.com. I love shopping from Amazon.com because it's just so easy. I feel I trust Amazon a lot more than like eBay or AliExpress or stuff like that. And I always get my delivery like properly, no issues and all of that. So I love shopping from Amazon. And usually, I don't know how and why, like even my artist dupes, I got it off of Amazon, and if you actually look for it, dude, you will get so many things. It's honestly, I'm telling you, it's like, oh my god, there are too many things for me to even like sit and search all the products that are there on Amazon. But yes, let's get into what I actually got. These are these Amoris eyelashes. They say 100% human hair. These are the eyelashes that I got. These are the eyelashes that I currently have on me right now. These are so fluttery, so bam, that I think you can see them from 5 miles away. And yeah, I think I'm loving it. These are very similar to Red Cherry lashes, and Red Cherry lashes, like one pack costs 1500 or something on Amazon, and I got a pack of 6 of these for 1800 on Amazon. So me like it. I am all about the cheap products. I am very, very cheap. Can't help it. This is the last thing that I got. This is another eyelash. Sorry, this I got from Beautiful. This is from Europaris. It is their eyelash in 51 number. I think I've used a very similar one in my previous tutorials also. I really like Europaris lashes. They're pretty durable. They don't like give off in like one wear. And yeah, I think the style is very nice. They fit my eye shape really well. That is what I like the most about Europaris lashes. And yeah, I think I'm on a eyelash kick. I want to use a lot of eyelashes now because they just take your look bam to the next level. So yes, this is the Europaris eyelash that I got from Beautiful. Now that we are on the lashes bandwagon, let me show you something that I got from Amazon. Oh my god, I'm so excited when I got this. I was just waiting to haul this. It looks like this actually. This is an eyelash holder. How cute is this, you guys? How cute is this? I don't have my eyelashes in this obviously because I have to kind of depot these and keep it. I just wanted to show it to y'all before I use it actually. And yeah, this is so pretty. It's lavender color with a bow on it. It's just so like South Asian, and I love it. It's so cute, and yeah, I think I can just walk around with this like this. Hey, This has been a very huge haul, but I love spending my money on affordable products because then I get to review that for you guys. And comment down below and let me know what are the products that you want to see. I'm definitely excited about the Revlon HD liquid lipsticks and the Chambord liquid lipsticks. I think I definitely would be doing a review and swatch video on those. And yes, if there are any Miss Claire products that you want me to do a review on, please let me know. And as always, please subscribe to my channel because I would always appreciate some love from your side. And yes, until next time, keep it bossy.
I have a confession that you're my obsession. You're pulsing through me. The blood is rushing and